Hello, November 20th, and I'm trying to get my ground cover off the flower field. And so follow me. Here we go. Okay, I've already done this row here, and this row here was where my dahlias were. This is my hugelkultur rows, so I don't have to bother them. And so I'm working, oh that's right, I did this row too. You can't really tell because there's grass and some perennials there. This row I did. So now I'll probably skip this one because this is where my rudbeckia is and some other perennials. But this row needs to come up, and part of this row I do have some daffodils, or no, I'm sorry, gladiolas here and some other perennials down there. And then there's 2 rows of fabric here. So I'm going to try to get this done today. So here we go again. I have this great tool that I use to pull the staples up, which makes things a lot easier. And then it doesn't rip the fabric. Depending on how wet the dirt is, sometimes they just pull right out. But when they're a little stubborn, then I can use this. So this is my barn cat, Tigger, and she loves to come out here and get some affection because she's in the barn most of the time. So in the winter time, it's kind of hard to get out there and let her out. So she's such a sweet kitty. Her mom, when we moved here, the mother moved into our barn, and lo and behold, she had kittens. And so Tigger was one of the kittens, and so we gave her away. We gave kittens away free, and they spayed her and gave her shots and all that stuff, but then they had babies, and it was just too much for them to handle, animals plus babies. And so they gave them, the people asked, well, do you need a barn cat? And I'm like, oh yeah, we have mice, critters. So that's what Tigger does. Come here and say hello. Say hello. Yeah, she's such a pretty kitty. Yeah, big cat. Her dad was a big gold cat. So she's a good size female. So come on, Tigger, can you help me pull this up? Can you help me? Oh no, you just want to roll around, huh? Sometimes there's mice just underneath this, and she chases the mice when I pull this up. So nothing today, huh? Were full of weeds. Very aggressive this year, crabgrass, and so next year, because I didn't get to it because it was so stinking hot, when you get busy with making bouquets, it was hard to keep up with the weeds this year. So there are weed seeds like crazy. So in the springtime, I will be spraying some pre-emergent down so these weeds don't sprout, and also try to get it done several times in the spring just to curb the aggressive weeds. So I'm hoping that that will work, and I will not be planting any seeds. I will just plant seedlings. So but anyway, I will be normally I plant seeds for zinnias and sunflowers, because by that time I'm done with seedlings, you know. So, but this year I'll be planting all seedlings, so that way the seeds can germinate ahead of time, while the pre-emergent's gonna hopefully do the trick for the weeds. So anyway, that's the plan. I was really hoping to get the weeds at bay this year, but it just didn't work. So I lost a bunch of straw flowers, and I picked among the weeds after a while. Boy, it's amazing. You put this down and in these 2-inch holes, how many weeds come out. And then they make it so much harder to pick this up. So, a lot of work. So that's why I'm doing it now when it's nice and cool. Because last year I waited till the hot spring to do this. So this is gonna be worth every bit of work right now. What I do, I put all the rows down and then I roll them up. And this is what I'm doing on this beautiful 45-degree day. And it's a good day to get work done outside. Love this kind of weather in Ohio. I have this nice pile of leaves that my husband put down from the yard. And I'm going to cover the field with these just to nourish the earth. So thanks for hanging with me, and I really appreciate you following me. And give me a like, thumbs up, and see you next time.